In this problem, we want to find the inverse of this function. So we got f of x is equal to the square root of x plus 3. Well, our first step, replace f of x with y. So we got y is equal to the square root of x plus 3. Step 2, interchange x and y. So we got x is equal to the square root of y plus 3. Step 3 is solve for y. Well, this is a radical equation, and our steps for solving radical equations said get a radical by itself. Well, it's by itself on the right side, no numbers in front of it, no numbers after it. And our next step is to raise both sides to a power equal to the index. Index is number in this little slot right here, and if there is no number there, it's by default 2. So we're going to square both sides. So we'll square the x and square the square root of y plus 3. Now over here we get x squared. On this side, the square root and the second power are going to cancel each other, so we're left with y plus 3. Take 3 over, and we get x squared minus 3 is equal to y. Now step 4, replace y with our inverse notation. So we got the inverse of f is equal to x squared minus 3. There's a problem with this. X to an even power, that's not 1 to 1. We need to make it 1 to 1. Well, what we came up with, x squared minus 3, x squared is a parabola, and minus 3 at the end means it's shifted down 3. So that's what we came up with. Let's see what we want. Up here we got the square root of x plus 3. Square root of x, we know what that basic graph looks like. When you have a number inside of the x, it shifts left or right, opposite what you think. Plus 3 would make us think goes right 3, so it's really going left 3. So that right there is our function. Okay, well, we know it's going to be symmetric to this line right here, y is equal to x. And this starts at negative 3 on my x-axis, so my inverse is going to start at negative 3 on my y-axis. And it's symmetric to this line, which means you can flip it across it, reflect it across it. So this piece I can flip across it, this little piece I can flip over here. So what I'm going to end up with is something that looks like that, more or less. I should have actually went through there, but you get the idea. Well, it looks like that's the right side of our graph, doesn't it? Which means to make this 1 to 1, we just need to put a condition on x. So it's going to be x squared minus 3, and we'll say x is greater than or equal to 0. Because here's x equals 0, and greater than or equal to 0 means I'm keeping the right side, which is what we want. Because remember, this is our inverse. Anyway, that's our answer.